Hello, Cass. Who did we see today?
We saw Monsta.
Tell some details.
You go first.
Yes, Kat had the paid experience. Got to share air.
I got to pay for like $250 for about 10 seconds of their time each, and I feel like that's being generous, but absolutely worth it. They are all amazing.
And then outside.
Yeah. What happened on the outside, Cass? The free budget tour.
The free budget. We didn't pay, but they came up to the window, so we get to say hi to all of them. Separated by a thin piece of glass, waving at them. They all came to say hi twice, so we got to see them a few times. And then as we were leaving, we were walking down the street, and they were leaving in their van. And it was just three on the corner, us three, and they were stopped, and we just sat and waved at them. It was just us three and them, just waving for like a minute or two.
Yeah.
Fans trailing behind, running after the van, while we had FaceTime with them for like 2 minutes.
Our faces are going to be the last thing that
Big little hearts at them, I did this.
Yes, many
I
hearts.
was in shock and was just waving like an idiot.
Yep. Couldn't make prolonged eye contact for that long. I had to look away for a second. But it was great.
Yes. Yay! Best day ever.
I'll do this one first, since we both have one of these ones.
We went to
Choice Music.
in
As you
Koreatown,
do.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
We all got albums. Kat got 2.
I asked for Hyungwon and Juhan, of course. How could I ask for anybody else? After too much struggling, we all got our albums open. I'm gonna open up this one first and see what is in here. I would love to get Juhan's photo cards again, but honestly, I don't care. They all look amazing. Oh, there's a poster.
Ooh.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
Ooh.
This is gonna be like a standee, and it's
Fun.
yay! Yeah, it's I Am.
Ooh. He's beautiful. We saw him today in person.
Yes.
Just throwing it out there casually.
Yes.
I think this is gonna be like a postcard. It is Kihyun.
Beautiful man.
Most beautiful. These concept photos were also really good.
Yeah, they are.
Poster. Da-da-da. It is all about.
Wow. That looks great.
And last but not least is the photo card, and drum roll. Oh my god, it's the cutest one
So cute! Oh my god.
ever! Oh my god, I think Juhan is getting
no.
booted from my phone case.
Getting kicked out.
That is so cute.
That's
oh my
adorable.
gosh.
That's a cute photo
I'm so
card.
happy with that.
I did a Kihyun
Hey.
one. So I got thank you.
Fun.
It's like a tiny little poster.
I love that.
And then I already know. It's like a tiny little photo card kind of
Oh, that's so cool.
one. And then
Oh,
cute one!
he's gracing us with his presence today.
He really wanted to come say hi today.
Yep.
Oh, it's so cute!
Yay!
These are all photos.
I bought my first K-pop album today.
Very first.
TXT. Woo! Oh, and Taehyun is kind of my bias, but I'm obsessed with all of them and would be happy with anybody. There. Oh, it's so cute! I'm thrilled. I love this man, or boy, or whatever. I love this person. I am so happy. Oh my god, he's so cute. Yay!
Is
Sticker?
it a stick?
Fire
that's so
escape. It's
cool.
like a holographic sticker. That is really cool.
It looks like it even comes with a poster.
Yeah, I think that is a poster.
I think it's like them being skaters.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
yes.
Yeah.
Edgy.
Yeah. Oh, it's only okay. I mean, I love these 3 people. So.
Oh, that's
3 of the
fun.
members.
Yay.
Cool! Yay! Excite!
Oh, and we forgot our freebies.
Oh, the freebies. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yay! I got Taehyun being sparkly and balloony.
Nice, nice.
A cat.
All right, cats.
You have an album. You have
Last
your.
one. I also got a jewel case, but I got Juhan's. Of course.
Heck yeah.
We don't have favorites.
Not at all. I am again. I am what I am. Now the little keychain thingy is one also.
Greeting us with his presents. The Lord is here today.
He really is. And drum roll. Da, da, da. It's Keisha.
Yeah.
Would you like to sit?
Would you want to?
I don't mind. Youngwon is like my second bias.
Yay!
I will collect all of the cards.
He's also my second one.
It's all working out.
He's so. I love the orange hair on him, honestly.
Me too. That's why I like it. That I have like 6 of them over here.
Yep. Yay!
Yay!
All right, it was a good haul.
It was a
good.
great haul.
We had the Lord today. He was on our side.
The meme
Yes.
lord himself.
Yes.
We are
Version
slaves to Monsta X.
We 100% are. Okay, so I'm doing the version 1. Okay. So, there is a 2022 calendar.
Nice.
That will be with all of them. A poster.
Cool.
Love it.
Stickers.
Cute.
2 photo cards. So there's
2.
a group one. I can't really tell. There's a lot going on.
Oh no.
Oh, I
At Shonu.
love
Oh, hell yeah.
Hello.
Okay, so calendar as well.
Yep.
That's going to be the same for all of them. I think the posters.
The poster
the
will
same.
probably be different.
Oh,
Yeah, it
I
looks
see.
different.
Yeah.
So I guess the version 2s will have this
Ooh,
poster.
Not shirtless, but sleeveless.
Yes.
Sleeveless.
Sleeveless I am. Nice, nice. This is probably like the CD booklet or whatever.
Mhm.
This is the stickers.
So that all looks the same.
Oh.
I had the group on top. Oh no!
Name.
It says names on the back, so I think I already know who these are. But
Ooh,
so
that's
I
a
got
good
IMs,
one.
Oh hell yeah.
A, and Hyungwon's. I'm surprised this one doesn't have the group one. I bet that is a mistake, and it's supposed to have it
I don't know. Well, I guess we'll find out in
in a second.
this
Yep.
one. Oh, I may or may not have the same stuff as you.
Uh-oh.
So I have same everything. Oh yeah, I think I do.
Oh, so I bet it's
Oh no,
the
if you have a
version 2s
double-
are the same.
If you have a double, it's the worst. This is what happened to us the last time we bought multiple. We had the same versions. Yep.
Okay, let's see.
Got the same.
That's so weird that it came with the same photo cards.
Because they always come grouped and it's very annoying.
Yep.
No!
Guess what?
At least they're both really pretty.
Yep. I can give this one to my mom.
You
I'll
could.
just leave everything in here.
Yay! More unboxing!
Okay, goes round 2.